Fireline Automatic by Planika is a revolutionary fireplace that can be operated with a remote control. It runs on bioethanol, does not need a chimney or any hard connection, and is perfect to mount into the wall with or without a steel casing, or it can be used as a see-through freestanding fireplace. To start it, you just simply need to pour in the fuel and then press the start button on the remote control. To enjoy the flame in the atmosphere even more, there is a flame regulation option. By pressing the plus and the minus buttons, you can obtain different flame size. Now you just need to simply relax and enjoy the perfect moment. Fireline Automatic has been tested and certified by Omni Laboratories to UL standards. While burning, there is no smoke and no smell. Thanks to the painted technology, only the fuel vapor is being burned, optimizing the burning process. The technology is also one of the safest, as there is no direct contact between the flame, high temperature, and the fuel. Electronic safety sensors control the device at all times when working or in standby mode. The appliance is shockproof and CO2 sensitive, and it will react to any seismic activity, movement, or a raise in the CO2 concentration in a room. In case of any disturbances, there is a warning signal, together with an alert shown on the display. The fire is extinguished automatically in an instant. Fireline Automatic provides unlimited possibilities of applications. Without a necessity for a chimney, it is a completely universal device that can be placed in any room with ventilation. Fireline Automatic can be connected to a smart home system.